How to uninstall Outlook on Windows 10. So I'm going to show you how you can uninstall it. Okay, first, when you before you uninstall, you have to go in your tax manager, go to the city power, and go to the close all apps. Okay, just click Control Alt and Delete. Hit the Control Alt and Delete. Hit the Control Alt and Delete, and now go to the task manager. So this is your task manager, and under the process you have to just find out the Outlook from here under the process. Okay, there is a 12 apps already open, so you can see this is my Outlook. Just click on it and just in task just scroll down and find out any background process of Outlook. Oh, okay, if you're getting any problem to uninstall the Outlook, just find out the Outlook here or Microsoft. So there is no any. Okay, this is Microsoft Protect. Okay, that is okay. Here you can see you have to just select it and Outlook Office. Just go close Outlook. Just find out another process if you have. Okay, now all is clear. Now just close it. Now just go to the control panel. Find out the control panel, and now go to the your app program and features. Under the program features, just find out the Outlook. So this is all Microsoft's here. Let me show the Outlook. Okay, here you can find out the only Microsoft Office. If you find out Outlook here, just right click on Outlook and go, click on uninstall. It will be uninstalled. But if you have only Microsoft Office here, if you uninstall your Microsoft Office, it will be uninstall all Microsoft Office software like Word, Excel, everything. So if you want to uninstall only Outlook, just go to the search bar and search Outlook app. Okay, so this Outlook app will be open here. Just right click on it and click on uninstall, so it will be uninstall. Okay, so that is how you can remove or uninstall Outlook in Windows 10. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.